I have a lot going on, like a lot. Besides having twins and a full-time job and then running the YouTube channel, I'm just talking about the YouTube channel. This fall and winter are going to be jam-packed with all sorts of new things. And for those of you that are new, I haven't done one of these in a while, but it's time for a channel update. First, let's talk about something really cool, and that is part of the future of the hobby, specifically technology. Here, I have a Soundtrax BLU 2200 Blue Nami decoder, and if you haven't figured it out by the name or haven't seen this yet, well, here you go. This is a Bluetooth sound decoder, and I am super excited to be showing you guys this in the coming weeks, because not only does it open up a lot of cool new doors for model railroading, it makes one aspect of DCC a lot easier. So that's coming. As many of you know, I built a small 2x4 in-scale model railroad last year called MRR1. This was designed to be an easy first model railroad that anyone could build. That series was a resounding success. I've seen several people who have actually built that model railroad after I did the series. So now it's time for the next one. This board right here will eventually become part of MRR2. This is going to be a 6-foot-long HO scale switching layout with several industries to switch. And it will be my first layout on this channel, not my first layout doing this, that I will be doing old-fashioned cork roadbed. Yes, I do know how to do that despite me using Decoder Unitrack. And there's going to be a lot of cool things going on with wiring, building kits, and of course some 3D printing and Arduinos. If MRR1 was your starter model railroad, MRR2 is going to be a second step model railroad. So every month I do a virtual model railroad show. I started this during the COVID lockdown so that people could still see other people's layouts even when they couldn't attend train shows. The show has become quite a hit, and I'm already filling spots for the middle of 2023. So this December, I'm hosting the first ever DIY and Digital Awards. This will be a Viewer's Choice Award show live in December, so I'm going to stream it live on my channel. All 11 virtual model railroad shows for the year have been filled, so don't worry about trying to get your nominations in. But the nominees for the top 5 are going to be decided by my patrons on Patreon in the coming weeks. You can join that and cast your vote beginning next week for just $1 a month if you want to be part of the nomination votes. Then, once I have it down to my top 5, I will open it up to a general vote on my YouTube community tab. The 5 nominees will all receive a digital certificate saying that they were a nominee for the Viewer's Choice Award, and the winner, which will be announced live, will receive a physical certificate and trophy for them to display. Now, no purchase is necessary to win. I'm going to be supplying all of these things. As long as you have been in the Virtual Model Railroad Show from January of 2022 to November of 2022, you are good to go. So if this goes well, I hope to expand this to Viewer's Choice Awards for things like Best Model Railroad Shop and Best New Product in each scale. So this could be something pretty fun that we could do. Let's move on to something that's a bit more on the business side. Now, you may have noticed that on very, very rare occasions, I will have a video sponsor on my channel. Now, I do this so rarely because I don't really love having non-model railroad video advertisers on my channel. They typically don't do well, and the partnership isn't usually fruitful for either party. But this got me thinking. Model railroading is a massive hobby, and that while it does have some big heavy hitters in it, it's really full of small business operations. There's no national chain of model railroad shops. So what could I offer as a YouTuber that could help our partners in model railroad retail and manufacturing with advertising? Well, I do have some experience in advertising, and I know the things that make a spot or mention work better. I also know that some of these operations do not have the budget to afford massive advertising campaigns. So my goal is to design a plan that these small operations can use through my channel and maybe through a few others, that we can really help these smaller retailers and manufacturers that have an online presence get the word out about their business without breaking the bank, maybe with partnerships and things like that. I have no idea what this is going to look like. I'm still designing it, and I'm not trying to make a ton of money off of this. Advertising works best when both parties benefit. If you are a retailer or manufacturer, be on the lookout. We all have to work together to lift each other up in the model railroading community. So this is what I have all going on just on my YouTube channel. Forget everything else. But it's going to be a pretty wild ride to January. So thanks so much for watching this. I can't wait to see you guys down the road. Until next time, I'm Jimmy for the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.